Hello there. You look ill. Very ill, actually. What have you been doing? Let me take a look. Let me take a sample. Hold still, please. You appear to have lead poisoning. I'm sorry. Lead is very harmful to all living things. There is no safe amount of lead to ingest. Children are most at risk of major side effects because they absorb more lead than adults. But lead poisoning can have nasty effects on people of all ages. It's unfortunately still found in some home and work environments. Many people accidentally ingest it through contaminated food, water, paints, and household goods. Exposure can be difficult to detect, and symptoms depend on age and how badly someone has been exposed. Often, lead poisoning has no symptoms until you are in serious danger. Lead accumulates and is stored in the bones, which can make recovery a long and difficult process. When symptoms do appear, they may include high blood pressure, irritability, fatigue, mood disorders, weight loss, abdominal pain, headache, joint and muscle pain, and issues with memory and concentration. Symptoms seen specifically in children may include developmental delay, difficulty learning, anemia, slowed growth, seizures, hearing loss, and constipation. Children may also exhibit pica, a tendency to eat things not generally considered food, such as paint chips. In severe cases, lead poisoning can lead to death. Most importantly, identify and get away from the source. Sometimes this is enough to lower levels of poisoning. The body will naturally detox itself. Having an adequate intake of iron, calcium, and vitamin C may also help, especially for children. It is also ideal to drink lots of water and proceed to expel the lead with perspiration. One can induce perspiration by doing an exercise or activity that makes you sweat. Be sure to properly bathe afterwards. Additionally, be sure to wash anything you or your child may put in your mouth. Wear protective gear at work if possible as well. Again, mild cases usually resolve without intense treatment. However, more intense treatments may be required to reduce the levels in your blood if lead levels of said blood are high. This involves a doctor giving you medication that binds to the lead so that it can pass out of the body through your urine. Finally, replace peeling paints and old pipes in your home if they test positive for lead as soon as possible. Until next time, avoid consuming and touching lead.